I went to a lot of other universities to see which one was the best for me to go to, and practical aspects was a really important thing for me. I didn't want to be just sat in a classroom with a teacher speaking to me. I wanted to be in the labs doing something practical. So when I came here and I saw all the facilities they had to offer, all the different pieces of equipment, I think that really stood out to me as a really important university. So that's definitely a main reason of why I chose here.
Our laboratory facilities are accredited by BASIS, and that essentially is a kite mark that demonstrates that the quality of the provision in the labs is reaching a set of standards that are set by our professional body. Because our students get access on a regular basis to these facilities, and they can book these facilities to practice in groups or for their assessments, they're constantly learning the skills and have the facilities to do that, to enable them to move into the world as fully equipped practitioners.
There are a whole range of laboratories, from psychology to biomechanics to physiology to environmental physiology. We have biochemistry as well. So what's good is we've got a range, and we've got different laboratories for different purposes.
The facilities themselves are great. Come into here, you really see how much they've put into the applied side of the course. The chambers downstairs, really impressive bits of kit that you wouldn't have many other places. We
have our psychophysiology lab, or our psychology lab. In there we have our immersive screen, which to me is a really amazing experience for students when they see what they can do with that piece of equipment. We opened our dedicated facility to do with strength and conditioning, which is both for teaching and research, and that is one of the top facilities in the country.
The environmental laboratory, it's got the heat chamber, which can also go to cold, and we've also got the immersion tank, which again can do hot and cold. So I think that's definitely my favourite by far.
We've got plenty of ergometers, cycle ergometers, rowing ergometers, treadmills that allow us to study how the body responds to exercise. So I think we're well equipped with the equipment that students need to study and learn.
There's a particular bit of equipment called a transcranial magnetic stimulator, which we can use to look at neuromuscular fatigue.
The best thing about studying here at the University of Brighton, I would say, is the practical element of the courses that are taught. So you gain so much real world knowledge of how to use the equipment, which I haven't had anywhere else.
One of the advantages of the way that we deliver our teaching at this university is students that will do their lab practicals don't just have a member of academic staff teaching them, but they also have a technical instructor as well, and 2 out of 3 of us have PhDs. So you will receive a really knowledgeable experience.